Okay, luckily I do have one image by Virtualman that the download is completed. The other one is not finished. This one is not finished. The roof stamp is not finished, and the 512 definitely is not finished. Okay, so the only one is finished is this one, 64 gig. So that is good. That way we could experience to max out the space to a 128 gigabyte. So this image is bring it down. So this image is only a 64 gigabyte and it's a made for Pi 4. So you, if it worked, then you guys witness that you cannot just put any image on Raspberry Pi 4 because it will not work. Alright, so we're gonna burn this image, and we could format the SD card because originally was in motion blue. So we're gonna go ahead and format it. And so we're gonna say yes. Okay, and it's saying, do you want to format? Yeah, it's 119, so that's correct. SD, that's the iDrive. So we're gonna go ahead and format it. Yes. So all the information a while ago that we burned the motion blue is gone. So we're gonna take successfully complete, and then we're gonna format it to a FAT32. I really don't think you need to, because the image should already do it for you, but let's just do it just for safety. And so it showed that this is an iDrive and it's using the eFax, so we're going to format to a FAT32 right there. I'm going to click start. Okay. Alright, so it's done. We're going to close it out. It says right here, it says it's okay, it's done. So we're going to close it, and then we're going to open up the Win32 image that we download. We're going to say yes, and we're going to select the iDrive. That is the one that, and then we're going to search, browse the image, looking for the image, and the image should be in the F, and it should be in Raspberry Pi folder, and there's a 64 gigabyte from Virtualman. We're gonna click on this, and we're gonna burn this image. And let's make this bigger so we could see the description. This is for Raspberry Pi 4, and it's arcade version. So it have all the arcade game that is made for only for Raspberry Pi 4B. So let's go ahead and select that. Well, not all the arcade game. He picked some special arcade game that normally does not work on 3B and added to this. So it's a good 64 gig. And he said you could upgrade, you could add a hard drive to it, and then you could download the 600, either 600 or 800 PlayStation that he have artwork already set up for it. But you had to sign up with him to get that. It's not in arcade punk area. You have to go to sign in or something to make that happen. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and write to the SD card, and this SD card is a lot bigger than 64 gig, so we have more space to add more file to it. So we're gonna go, it's writing. See the file right here is moving, and it's gonna take a while because this thing did not move at all. It's gonna get green all the way down. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pause this video, and then once it's finished, we're gonna go back to the Raspberry Pi, and hopefully that is the only reason why it's not booting up. I hope it's not defected, because when we first plugged it in, we saw that the fan light did not come on, but it came on just fine for Raspberry Pi 3B, so don't know.